Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. Now that I've been home all day, every day, I have been on TikTok a lot, and I have found a couple of hair hacks and hairstyles. So I wanted to film a video kind of testing them out, kind of trying them, and letting you guys know if it is worth your time and your energy, because some of these hacks look cool, but like, do they really work? If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and subscribe. I really want to make it to 50,000 subscribers, so if you guys can help me get there, that would be amazing. And so far you guys have been so good with supporting my channel and showing love, so thank you so much. I can't believe we're already at 40K. That's just crazy, and I feel so blessed and happy to have you guys here. And also follow my Instagram. This is my Instagram right here. I post a lot of stuff on there that I do not post on here on YouTube. So go ahead and check out my Instagram, and go ahead and check out my TikTok. I've been posting a lot of stuff on TikTok. A lot of like dances, you know, and a lot of like mini hair videos. So go ahead and check out my TikTok, and let's get right into the video. So I'm just gonna put the video right here so you guys can kind of see what's happening. But this is the first hack. This is for volume, so let's see if this works. As you can see, this is what my hair looks like right now. I don't have a ton of volume, so I have my two clips. I'm going to put one in the back, I guess like that. Hope I'm doing it right. I don't care too much about the back. I'm mainly focused on the front, but I'm still gonna do the back just cause. Oh god, let's do the front. So put the clip. Okay, so I think the front is looking good. I think the front might work even better. So she adds a spray. I honestly don't know what type of spray she adds. I don't think it's hairspray. I mean, the bottle doesn't look like a hairspray bottle, and it looks more like something like this, like the Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. This is a heat protectant, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of this just to kind of get my hair a little bit damp. I think even with water you should be fine. I don't think hairspray is the best thing to use because I just feel like it's gonna get sticky, so I'm not gonna use hairspray. So I'm just gonna use this. I'm gonna add a little bit, just a little bit, and I'm gonna blow dry my hair. I'm gonna dry the top. I'm just gonna put a timer for 2 minutes because you're supposed to get volume in 2 minutes. So let's see if this works. I put my timer, and let's just wait. So it's been 2 minutes, so now I'm going to take these off and let's see what this looks like. So I'm gonna take the back off first, and then the front. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. You have to run your fingers, so let's do that. You know what? I'm not mad about it. I do feel like my curls got a little bit messed up. I think maybe because of the blow dryer. I think maybe you can get this same look without having to use a blow dryer. Maybe just let it air dry on its own, because the blow dryer I think just kind of messed up my curls. But I'm gonna keep running my fingers through my hair just to see if it can get a little bit nicer, like more put together. You guys let me know. I mean, look at the before and after. Let me know if you see a huge difference. I kind of see it a little bit, but I don't think it's that drastic. But I do feel like this could work if you want a little bit of volume. But this is a cool hack. I'm I'm not crazy about it, but I do feel like I can see a little bit of a difference. Let's move on to the second one. So the second one is this one right here. So this is a hairstyle. I'm very excited about this one because it looks so pretty, and I curled my hair specifically for a couple of hairstyles that I am going to do today. So let's see how this looks. She takes like 2 sections. I feel like she takes the front 2 sections, like something like this. Okay, I'm going to leave some parts out, so maybe like 2 curls like this. Okay, so I'm going to tie the hair like that, and then you're going to flip the hair and bring it up and into the little hole. And then you're going to pull the hair a little bit and pull the hair a little bit just to loosen up that part. Can you guys see that? Ooh, I'm liking it already. Okay, I'm gonna do that one more time. So I'm gonna take another section. I'm just gonna tie my hair, flip the hair like up and then down through the little hole, and then you kind of pull the hair a little bit. So I think I got it. I don't know, you guys let me know. Do you think I got it? I feel like it could be nicer. It might be a little bit messy, but I actually really like it. Like, I love this hairstyle. Like, I can tell that it looks different. It looks like something that I would never even think about doing. Like, this is really cute. Okay, I'm really digging this hairstyle. Oh my god, now that I see it from the front, it looks adorable. Like, even imagine like with some nice pins. And I really like how I took these 2 parts out, because that way it looks like an updo. Oh my god, I really like it. Okay, so this one's a big thumbs up. I feel like this would be so cute for the spring and the summer, with like a nice dress with like flowers and bright colors, and maybe like a flower right here on your hair. I'm really digging this. Okay, so the next one seems a little bit complicated. So this is what the next one is. My phone died, so I'll be right back. So for this one, you also need a couple of rubber bands. Okay, so the first step is to part your hair in the middle. I already have a middle part. I guess I could make it look nicer though. So a middle part, and then part your hair all the way down to your ear. And I'm gonna do the same on the other side. So then she just ties the back so that it's not distracting, I guess, or not in the way. So I'm gonna do that. So then she does another part, like right about here, I guess. So like that. She puts some type of cream, but I'm not gonna do that because I just blow dried my hair and I kind of don't want to put cream on my hair. If you want to put cream, go for it, because it probably will make it look nicer. But I think my hair is okay, so I just tie it like this. So you take another section. So I guess I'll do kind of like half of this. You bring this section over to here, and then you tie this part. So you take another rubber band and you tie it. And I guess you do the same for everything. So then you do the same with this section. So you bring this section down here, take an elastic, and you just tie everything. I'm gonna pin it for now, but she does tie this section to this section in the back. This one's actually easier than I thought and quicker than I thought. I thought this was gonna take more time, but so far it's actually pretty easy and fast to do. This is what it looks like. I think it's okay. This is cute. It's something different, but I feel like you can't really see much. Like, you can't really tell that it's a hairstyle. Like, maybe if you use colored rubber bands, it will look nicer. I think this will look really cute on like little girls. I think that will look really cute on like little girls. I think I'm just too old for this hairstyle. I'm turning 26 next month. I like hairstyles like this, but I feel like this one's like a little bit too young for me. I don't know. What do you guys think? I don't know. I don't love it, but it's not bad. It's not bad at all. Anyways, guys, that is it for today's video. Let me know in the comments down below which hairstyle and hack you liked better. Let me know in the comments down below if you want a part 2. I would totally do that. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like this video. If you want a part 2, let me know. Anyways, that is it for today's video. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Don't forget to follow my Instagram right here and my TikTok, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye bye.